guys, myself Anupriya. You also know me from the name of Snaptales, and I'm going to tell you all about myself, Snaptales, and my journey, and what all you can expect from this channel. So let's get started. First of all, I'm someone whose day is all surrounded with colors, art, and everything. You cannot. I do something around art every day. Every day, when I say every day, that means every single day. Yes. So this comes out from my childhood itself. I think I was all about art that time also, but I never knew from my side that I'm so much into art. So I used to do embroidery. I used to stitch clothes and everything. So everything is around art. So yes, that's how I came to know that art is something that I want to follow, and I want to pursue it like a full-time thing, and I don't want to do it as a hobby. So leading to that only, I'm a full-time artist from last 2 years now, and this journey has been amazing, and there's a lot to share with you guys. As I grew up, art started working as a meditation and something that gives me a satisfaction and I can rely on. Okay, like I have a stressful day or I have a happy day or anything like that. Art was something I used to go back to. It's like a home to me. Other than that, I think art has no limitation, as we guys don't have any limitation. I expect from myself, and I keep on learning every day a new art form. I'm not restricted to any one of them. I try I want to try different art forms as much I can, and that is how this love of art was something that I wanted to share with everyone around me. That is how I came into field of art as a full-time artist 2 years back, and I started teaching calligraphy. Calligraphy is one of my niche that I'm pursuing with. So I started my journey 2 years back by taking workshops all around India. I have been to Mumbai, Pune, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jaipur, Udaipur, a lot of cities, and I have covered around 700 plus students all around India, and there are many more counting. That's coming in, and something special about each student that I meet is that it's not about how many students I have taught, but it's about that I've started a journey in their life by sharing one of my experience to them. As calligraphy is something that when you do calligraphy, there is kind of a peace or meditation, concentration that you get. And that is something that I have heard from my students as well, and that is what I am willing to share a lot with many more people all around. So yeah, that was something from my art profession, or something that I'm doing from last 2 years. Coming back to something that you would like to know about me now, that was some part of Snaptales with Anupriya and everything. So I love to travel. That is something, I told you the list, long list: Mumbai, Pune, Jaipur, Udaipur, and a lot more to go. So that is just because I love traveling, because every place has its own history, its own culture, its own art in it, and that opens up me to like more ideas, like new way to think something. According to me, every place has its own beauty, and every place has that gives you something in art. Like if it's music, culture, the sightseeing, or anything, people around them. There's a lot of things that you can learn from one place, and that is one thing that I want to do a lot. I want to travel the world and explore more and more. So that is one thing, and that is how I connected both of them. I started teaching calligraphy, and I traveled all around through it. Like, I'm also the foodie of my group. Yes, I love eating eating different types of things. I'm not someone who eats a lot of quantity, but I want a lot of varieties in my plate if I want to go for it. So even if I take one bite of each dishes, I love like varieties. And if you are a pajama person, I want to give you a big high five because you totally connect with me. And if you find somewhere, anywhere, that I'm in a pajama and holding a cup of tea, because I love tea, anywhere like clubs, beach, mountains, anywhere, then you should not get shocked at all, because I'm someone who can walk anywhere in pajamas because I love them. One thing that makes me keep going on this way is the smile or the feeling of joy that I see in each of the students after I see them after 3 hours of the workshop, when they see what they can make. That is one thing, that is actually one thing that like gives me that joy. Okay, they are like, what I have done in 3 hours, that reaction of them, no, that is very, very special to me. And I think a lot of you are seeing this, are part of it, and I'm very thankful to you. I remember each of one of them. This is because I connect to everyone in the workshop, because there's something that is different with someone else and something different with someone else. So when you connect with each of them, you remember them even after you are done with the workshop and everything, and that's what makes me special. Like, it's like I have shared a big part of mine to 700 plus people all around India, and that is something I cannot express that what it means to me, because that means word to me right now. That is what's coming in my mind, because that special feeling that I get after seeing that joy of learning something new, that is something I want to give out more and more. So yeah, thank you each one of you who are here and watching this. So guys, this was all about me, Snaptails, and my little journey till now. What all I'm thinking to place on this channel are a lot of DIYs, a lot of artwork, sneak peek, and a lot of tricks also. So I have a lot of good videos lined up for you. Don't forget, this is a beginning of a roller coaster ride, and I would love if you can subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up if you like it. And also don't forget, if you like connect on any point with me, any point, like even if you are a tea lover or you are art lover or anything, you love traveling or you're a pajama person, please mention that in the comment section below. I would love to like share that feeling with you, that we have something in common. I really do. And hoping to see you next time and in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Should I also mention that I love doing something crazy adventure kind of thing, jo roller coaster like of thing? Do you think? So traveling is one thing that has been my like. What? Should I tell people that I love tea? I'm totally someone who's like, they're good and I want to go around with them. So yeah, so do you think people actually want to know that I'm a pajama person?